Over the past couple of weeks, the cryptocurrency market saw big correction with major currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and Binance Coin falling almost around 40 to 50%. This created a lot of panic among investors. This was mainly due to two headlines. First is Elon Musk cancelling the acceptance of Bitcoin for buying the Tesla car. And second is due to Chinese central bank issuing a statement prohibiting financial institutions from processing any cryptocurrency related transactions. At this point, there are a couple of questions. If you are an existing investor in cryptocurrency, then should you exit from it or should you accumulate more? Or if you do not invest in cryptocurrency, then should you stay away from cryptocurrency, or now that cryptocurrency has fallen, then should you invest in it? Hello friends, my name is Sahil and this is my Personal Finance Academy where I explain everything about money management in layman's language. I have divided this video in three parts. In the first part, I have analyzed the recent incident that resulted in the crash of the crypto market. Then, a lot of people say that cryptocurrency is like a tulip bubble. Now, many of you probably don't know what is a tulip bubble. So, in the second part, I have explained the tulip bubble and compared it with cryptocurrency to analyze if cryptocurrency is really a tulip bubble or not. Finally, in the third part, I have discussed if you should invest in cryptocurrency or not. Alright, let's get started. Let's first start with the major reason for such a huge correction in cryptocurrency. This was due to Elon Musk cancelling Bitcoin acceptance for buying Tesla car. Now I'm sure most of you would be aware of the fact that Elon Musk is super active in the world of cryptocurrency. Of late, he has published many tweets regarding cryptocurrency. It started in March 2021 when he tweeted that you can now buy a Tesla with Bitcoin. As a result, the Bitcoin price zoomed from $51,000 to $63,000 within the next few days. But then on 13th May 21, Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla has suspended accepting Bitcoin for buying the Tesla cars. He cited the concern regarding the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transaction, especially coal, which has the worst emission of fuel. However, please note that Elon Musk also confirmed that Tesla will not be selling Bitcoins. In case you are not aware, Tesla has invested around $1.5 billion in Bitcoin early this year. That is somewhere around 11,000 crore rupees. On top of that, China made a big announcement during the same period. Chinese central bank issued a statement prohibiting financial institutions from processing any cryptocurrency related transactions. A new order from 3 leading financial organizations in China has directed all banks to prohibit customers from accessing cryptocurrency trading or storage. In essence, stopping all cryptocurrency trade in the country. Now, due to both these events, the cryptocurrency market tanked, where Bitcoin crashed from $61,000 to $30,000. Ethereum crashed from $4,300 to $1,730. Likewise, the majority of cryptocurrency crashed. But at the same time, Chinese government has launched its own digital currency. By the way, China is also the country that printed paper currency hundreds of years ago when currency was only in the form of coins. It clearly suggests that China thinks that digital currency would be the future. On top of this, the latest news came out from RBI stating that they have major concern over cryptocurrency. Having said this, cryptocurrency trading is not banned in India. Now, the government is considering a regulation around cryptocurrency rather than banning it completely. Now, as an investor, there are multiple doubts in the mind. Should you invest in cryptocurrency or not? Or if you have already invested, then should you continue or exit from cryptocurrency? Now you will find thousands of videos on YouTube and multiple viewpoints around it. On one side, people are claiming that Bitcoin will touch $1 million. On another side, people are claiming that cryptocurrency is a bubble and it would go bust. Both sides have their points to support this statement. If you ask me, I would say that I am not a die-hard fan of cryptocurrency. But at the same time, I am not a hater of cryptocurrency. Honestly speaking, nobody can predict the future of cryptocurrency with 100% confidence. Not even Elon Musk. Now, what can be the outcome of cryptocurrency in the future? Either it gets banned or it gets accepted. I think that banning cryptocurrency is not a solution. If banning cryptocurrency was the solution, then the Indian government would have banned it years ago. Why is cryptocurrency not banned in India yet? It is because there are a lot of positive sides of cryptocurrency. The biggest positive side is its blockchain technology that is rapidly growing all over the world. Now a lot of people say that cryptocurrency is like a tulip bubble. So in the next part, we will look at what exactly is this tulip bubble and is cryptocurrency similar to tulip bubble. Back in 17th century, there was a popular flower in Netherlands. It was tulip. It was so beautiful that it became the status symbol of wealthy class in Netherlands. Due to its unique look, people started trading tulips just like currency. Due to growing demand, the prices of tulip kept on increasing. But then in 1637, there was an outbreak of bubonic plague in Holland just before the tulip auction. And that resulted in a huge fall in demand for tulips that resulted in a price crash. Now there were some inherent problems with tulip trading as currency. First is, tulip had a limited lifespan. So durability was a big challenge with tulip. However, it is not the case with cryptocurrency. Then, its trading required the arrangement of safe transportation. Tulip could be easily stolen. However, crypto trading does not require any transportation and it is very secure. And above all, tulip could not be broken down for trading in small quantities, where cryptocurrency can be broken down in infinite parts for easy trading. Hence, it is not right to compare cryptocurrency with tulip bubble. For a currency to be accepted for trading, it requires certain characteristics. For example, it should be durable, where it should not perish easily. It should be portable, so that you can easily carry it from one place to another. It should be easily interchangeable in equal quantity. And it should be easily identifiable and verifiable. And it should be easily divisible in smaller parts. And there should be scarcity of currency. It should not be available in abundance. Cryptocurrency like Bitcoin tick each of these boxes. Hence, I think that digital currency would continue to exist. For example, even though China banned crypto, they introduced their own digital currency. If cryptocurrency is really a bubble, then why are world's largest financial institutions like MasterCard and Bank of New York Mellon Corp accepting cryptocurrency on their network? Why has Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin? Acceptance of cryptocurrency by top institutions of the world clearly suggests that cryptocurrency is not just a bubble. It is much more than that. In fact, on 19th May 2021, there was an article where the government is planning to set up a new panel to study the cryptocurrency regulations. At the end of the day, whether you should invest in crypto or not is your individual call. My intention is to mention both sides of the story. If you are a conservative investor, you can skip cryptocurrency. But if you are someone who already invests in stocks and mutual fund and looking for investment in another asset class with high risk and high return potential, then you can certainly consider cryptocurrency to invest somewhere around 2 to 3% of your money. For example, let's say you invest rupees 25,000 to 30,000 per month. Then maybe you can invest somewhere around 1,000 to 2,000 in cryptocurrency. Folks, 500 years ago, there was a barter system where people exchanged items to trade rather than using paper currency. At that time, if someone said that you will be able to buy stuff with paper currency, people laughed at the person. But what has happened now? Today we all deal with paper currency. Similarly, today there is a concept of digital currency, then a lot of people are resisting it. But who knows that in the future we also deal with digital currency. But having said this, we can't simply ignore the risk aspect of investment in cryptocurrency. There is no doubt about the fact that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. So be very careful with investment in cryptocurrencies. In case you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you can explore the platform CoinDCX Go. It is one of the biggest cryptocurrency platform in the country. I'm not sure if you are aware, CoinDCX Go has also launched various campaigns on TV and other platforms. They've launched a very interesting ad on TV with the tagline Bitcoin Liya Kya? The intention is to promote Bitcoin as an alternate asset class where the investors can consider investing somewhere around 1 to 5% of money in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. They have an app called CoinDCX Go on the Play Store that has crossed 1 million plus downloads. I explored their platform and found it very easy to use. So in this video, we discussed the latest events in the world of cryptocurrency and tried to identify the reason behind the crash in cryptocurrency market. What do you think about cryptocurrency? Is it worth investing a small amount? Do let me know in the comments. I will see you with another video. Till then, take care.